Hello everyone, myself Dr. Naresh Tambe. Today we are going to discuss about how to keep yourself motivated in this pandemic situation, because many of us, or rather all of us, are in pandemic, in lockdown, and we are staying with our family, with our family members at our home. We are locked in our home, in our houses. Okay, so it is highly possible that we may feel bored, we may feel lack of motivated to do whatever we want to achieve. We may not feel interested to achieve it, to task for it, to work for it, and it's highly possible. And if in these circumstances, if at all we are feeling so, then it's really harmful for our career, our development. And for that, what we can do to achieve our goal, to reach to our goal. So there are certain things which we have to think, which we have to do to achieve our goal, to better in our career, in our education, in our entire life. So there are certain things I would like to share with you, that how we can motivate ourselves. So first and very important thing, that we have to love ourselves. We usually, what happened, we expect love from others, and we think that people should love me, but we forget to love ourselves. So here my point is that we have to learn to love ourselves. If we love ourselves, then what happened? Then if we are loving ourselves, then we will try to make ourselves happy. We will try to do development for ourselves. So loving yourself is very important. Another thing, what we usually want to go with people, with our friends, with our colleagues, to enjoy our life. But here we are in lockdown, we are in pandemic situation. So in that circumstances, we have to enjoy, or we have to learn to enjoy our own company, which many of us are not doing. We want to go with people, and in lockdown this is not possible. So we have to learn to enjoy our own company. If we learn to enjoy our own company, then life will not be bored. It will be happy, it will be nice for us, and we can think for how we can make changes in our life. We can see that how we can develop our life. Okay. Another thing we have to understand, that how we can use our time. Okay, so using is like lots of time, plenty of time we have. So how to use this time that we can keep ourselves engaged. We can keep ourselves engaged in different activities. Like people may want to go for dance. People may want to learn some music, song, or some people may want to learn, for example, music instrument. Okay. So many other things, like there are the different n number of activity people may like to do. So in this time, which you are having plenty of time, you can have at home in this pandemic situation, you can use this time to keep yourself engaged effectively, which help you to motivate, to remain happy and strengthening and energetic, especially energetic. Okay, so this way we can keep ourselves engaged. Also very much important thing, that we have to set the goal. Why we have to set the goal? Though we are in pandemic, if we are setting a goal, if we have a goal, we can plan that to achieve that particular goal. So setting a goal is very important, and with that, if you are setting us a particular goal, with that we have to also understand that we should not underestimate ourselves. I tell you a nice example. There in America, this story is in Shiv Khera's book. You can also read that. The small story is that in America there was a beach, and on that beach one person was selling a balloon, and to advertise the balloon he was flying some balloon in the sky, and so that many children can get attracted towards, and they can come and they can buy the balloon. That was his idea. So as we all know that in America there is what we can say, black and white discrimination is there. We all know about it. So there was one boy on the beach. He was from white family, and he observed that all colors balloons are flying in the sky. With that is a black color balloon also flying in the sky. So he got a question in mind, that how can black color balloon is flying in the sky? All colors are flying is okay, but black color balloon also flying. Because in his mind that all black is not good, means any black thing, whether it's a person or a thing, if it is black, it is not good. That was his maybe upbringing. So he came to the uncle and asked that, uncle, all color balloons are flying in the sky is okay, but how this black color balloon is also flying in the sky? So the uncle gave nice answer to this boy. That uncle said, to fly in the sky, color is not important. To fly in the sky, there should be air in the balloon. So this example we can relate to our life also. We may are in pandemic, in lockdown, or that is a recent situation. This is not going to remain permanent. But otherwise also we may belong to a rich family, we may belong to poor family, we may belong to any caste, religion, any language, any region. It doesn't matter. What matters is how much we are motivated to achieve something or to achieve our goal. That actually matters, and that is the only thing which help us to reach where you want to go. So we have to understand that motivation is important to achieve whatever you want. Okay. Then another important thing that, see, we are always saying that we are in pandemic, we cannot go out, and we thought about many negative things about this pandemic and lockdown. But to keep ourselves happy and motivated, what we have to do? We have to see that what are the positive aspects of this pandemic. Is there any positive things also? We never think about it. We may are getting plenty of time. We can have good time with our family members. And there are any other many things which you may not thinking. So see that what are the different positive aspects around you in this pandemic which will help you to develop positivity in your mind. And what we have to avoid is, when we are saying that we have to see the positivity around us. So with this we also have to see that we always see there are different problems around us when we are in pandemic. But with that we have to also see that, or rather we have to observe that there are many things which are positive also. So those positive aspects we have to understand, we have to observe, and we have to enjoy those all positive aspects. It can be that you are getting plenty of time to do what you want, maybe your hobbies, maybe you want to play something or to learn something, you want to do something or to create something. So you are getting plenty of time, that valuable time you can use. Also you are getting lots of time with your parents to discuss, to enhance your relationship with your parents, and parents may be getting time with their kids. So these are positive things also we have to understand, right? So not only this, but there are a number of things which we can observe in your life. There are positive things due to pandemic are there. We have to observe, we have to understand, and that positivity we have to use to flourish our life. That is one thing. But when you are talking about positive aspect to observe, in contrast to that, I must say that there are also negativity which affect us, like news channel, newspaper. They may say that this many deaths, this many cases every day are increasing. So these all negativity also around us which may affect us. So in that case, what we can do is, this negativity we should not take it in the mind. I'm not saying that we should not take care. Of course, what guidelines given by Government of Maharashtra, Government of India, we have to follow that all. But with this, not with this negativity. That negativity we should keep aside, and we should simply follow the guidelines for our better health. So these things we have to understand. Now I would like to say that, see, many of us are having online study, online school, online colleges, and we are on mobile, we are on laptop, and even after school, after classes, we are using mobile, we are using laptop, and many of us are maybe using that time to watch TV also. So here we have to understand how much is too much, that we have to understand. Okay, what happened? We are continuously, if we are using our time to watch TV, watch mobile, watch laptop, then it means that you are not using your time, but you are wasting your time. I give one simple example. What happened, I tell you. Okay, so I give you one example. Suppose your parents gives you 500 rupees, or say, let's say, for example, 1000 rupees to spend. And if you don't want to spend that money right now, what you will do? If you don't want to spend, you will keep it, right? You will keep it for a certain period of time, and you will use the amount when you want. So money you can save, है ना? Now take example of time. Suppose you have 2 hours free time, and you don't want to use that time. Okay, so what you will do? Can you save it? We cannot save time, right? We can either use time or you can waste time. So now it is in your hand whether to use the time or to waste the time. If you respect time, time will respect you. But if you not respect time, time will also not respect you. That is a fact. That is one fact and that we have to understand, we have to respect, we have to learn to respect the time. So here what I can say that all these points which I have told about how to motivate ourselves in study, in career, in our life, we have to follow that point, learn to follow, try to follow, and with respect to time. If you do that, you will definitely able to achieve what you want, even if there is a pandemic situation or if there is no pandemic situation. These all points will help you in your life, for your development, for your career, to flourish your life. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.